Alright guys, so today I want to share with you how you can get Microsoft Office, all of the programs included, entirely for free. So step number one, you need to open your browser, which can be any browser on your computer or laptop, and go to the search bar, and here you will need to type office.com. So we go to the original office.com legal website. We need to press sign in and create an account on this website. You can either use your existing account, or if you don't have one, you should press create one, which we do like that. We then need to write our email, which you can use your existing one, or you can press get a new email address and just register a new email address. Let's create one here. Then you need to create a password, which will work both for your email and to log into office.com website. Okay, we tap next. Now we also have to input the country, which can be any country, and the birth date, which can be any birth date as well. We tap next. And now a pretty difficult step of this registration is a very strange CAPTCHA. I've never seen one before, so it might even look complicated at first. So basically what you have to do is to match the orbit, which you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orbits from the sun, and a number. So here we have number 8 and an icon of some strange thing here. So basically we have to find 8 and locate this thing to this orbit, and do this 10 times. All right, so I press these arrows to right and left to locate it. Okay. All right, I think it seems similar. Submit. One done. I honestly never seen such a complicated CAPTCHA before, but I'm sure it's pretty effective against the robots, right? And then verification completed says we're waiting for it to load our website, and then we get this quick note, which we press OK. Doesn't really matter for us. Okay, so once it's loaded, we need to choose whatever we need. So it can be Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Forms, whatever application you need. So obviously the most used one is Microsoft Word, which we're going to use right now. And here you can use all the functions of the Word application from Microsoft Office. You can type in some text, you can edit it, just like so. And then you can go back and choose PowerPoint, for example, which opens another tab. So here you can edit your PowerPoint slides, just like that. You can use all the functions from Microsoft Office on this website completely for free. And when you're done with your project, you can press File and then Save As and save it to your computer completely for free. And it's pretty much unlimited. But if you need to have it on your PC, you will need to buy Microsoft Office from this website. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.